Hey everyone, my name's Matt, and today I'll be taking you through how to use the electronic positive response system inside the damage prevention portal. The damage prevention portal allows you to quickly and easily assign response codes to tickets through the electronic positive response system. Electronic positive response, or EPR, is a system that encourages communication from member utility companies to Underground Service Alert, notifying us of the status of the ticket or the method they chose to respond to a ticket. Excavation law in California and Nevada already requires that all utility members respond to every request they receive by either marking the site, notifying the excavator that the site is clear of their facilities, or providing information to the excavator regarding the location of their facilities. Electronic positive response goes one step further by allowing the utility member to then notify Underground Service Alert how they chose to respond to the ticket. We will then publish these responses online, allowing contractors, excavators, and homeowners in California and Nevada the ability to check the status of responses to their ticket request online 24/7. At this time, electronic positive response is required in California and voluntary in the state of Nevada. Currently, Nevada stakeholders are going through the process to add a mandatory electronic positive response statute. Using the damage prevention portal, you can assign response codes to the tickets you receive so excavators know how you responded to their request. To assign a response code to a ticket, click on Operations. Then click Positive Response. In this window, you will see a list of tickets that your organization has received. If you are a member with multiple station codes, you will need to select the appropriate station code in the selections above. Make sure to check all of your station codes and assign a response for each ticket listed on each code. You also have the ability to filter tickets based off of previous response codes. To display tickets that have not been assigned a response code, select Unassigned. In the Search By field, we can look for tickets by their due date, ticket number, or work location. You'll need to enter the corresponding information depending on what you selected in the Search By field. We can assign a response code to a single ticket by clicking on the ticket itself. This will open the response code status box. On the left-hand side, you will see the full ticket details so you can easily verify that you are assigning a response code to the correct ticket. You can also click on the Additional Details button to see a more detailed view of the ticket. This will open the Explore Your Data feature in a new window where you can see the details of the ticket as well as the dig site polygon on the map. You will also be able to download the ticket details to your computer by clicking this button. In this case, my locator has already marked the excavation site listed on this ticket, so I will select the response code 10 Locate Area Marked in the response code dropdown. The system requires that we include a note in the Notes section. If you would like the excavator to see the notes listed on the request, check the box below. Then click Assign Response Code to add the response to the ticket. Remember that assigning a response code to a ticket communicates to the excavator the way in which you already responded to that ticket. Make sure to assign the appropriate response code after you have responded in that way. After you have posted your response, you can click on the ticket again and view the history section. This will outline all the previous codes and actions made on the ticket. You can also assign the same response code to multiple tickets in one action. Select the tickets you would like to assign a code to by checking the box next to the request. Then click Assign Response Code. Since none of my underground utilities are located within these excavation sites, and I have notified the excavator of that information, I will assign the one clear no conflict code to these 3 tickets. Provide a short explanation of the response in the notes, and then click Assign Response Code. Those 3 tickets will now have the clear no conflict response code listed on them. This feature will allow you to respond to more tickets in a shorter amount of time, but the response code will have to be the same for each ticket selected. If an excavator submits an emergency ticket, it will be highlighted in the color gold. Keep an eye out for these requests so that you can respond to them promptly when they come through. If you have any additional questions or need direct assistance, please reach out to our Member Services department at memberservices@usan.org.